buy Snapchat Plus. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can buy the Snapchat Plus. So buying the Snapchat Plus is simple and can be done through the Snapchat app itself. So the Snapchat Plus is a premium subscription service that provides users with exclusive features such as custom app icons, more control over who can see your stories, and additional insight about your activity. So first of all, here's the best method to buy the Snapchat Plus. First of all, ensure you have installed the Snapchat on your device. You can download the Snapchat app from the Apple Store for iOS or Google Play Store for your Android if you haven't already downloaded your Snapchat. Also, make sure your Snapchat app is updated to the latest version. Just go and check here. Just if there is any update available, then you have to update up your Snapchat app. After that, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device and you have to log in with your credential, writing your username, email, or password. So the Snapchat Plus can be accessed directly through the app. You have to tap on the profile icon which is on the top left corner of the screen to go to your profile page. And on your profile screen, you have to scroll down until you see the Snapchat Plus icon section. Here you can see that. And this is typically below your Snapchat score and other account detail. After tapping on the Snapchat Plus, banner or section which will take you the subscription page and you will find the new feature here. You can see the all feature on the Snapchat Plus. After that you have to tap on the next option and here you can see that subscribe subscribing is not currently available in my country. So it is available in your country which will offer different subscription duration and prices. You have to choose it from there. So which will include 1 month, 6 month or 12 months. You will be able to see the available plans and their prices on their subscription page. And you have to tap on the preferred subscription plan to proceed with the purchase and check the total price for your selected plan. After that, you can go and proceed your payment. So this is the simple step how you can subscribe and get the Snapchat Plus on your Snapchat account. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.